Hey guys, today we have some stands here. As you can see, we're displaying some of our items here. We have a Labubu, little crocheted items here, and these are perfect to just display your items. You can have them at a market, or even if you just want to display it as I don't want it to stay on the floor right here, don't want it to get dirty because it gets dusty and stuff, I can just put it right here, and it's perfect to have on view. And you can also decorate these with stickers or anything if you don't like it, have it plain. But one thing about these is that they're actually very easy to work with. And if you have, let's say, a smaller thing, since this is kind of small, a lot smaller, this is how they look like at first. It's not gonna stick, it's not gonna let it go. As you can see, they fall through if I have it tiny enough. But one good thing about this is that if you actually squeeze it in, it can actually adjust the size of this, so you can actually make it smaller. So let's just push it in, and it makes it smaller because it's like compressing, as you can see. So when you make it smaller, it gets smaller, and you'd be able to hold small stuff. But it can also carry big stuff. So over here we have it actually having it. It's very fluffy, so you can't really see it, but you can actually put it around the arms, so you can actually display it. And I'll actually be using these at a market I'm going to be having soon, so they'll be able to display it and have it as little cute. And also because the table might be dirty, so I'll be able to get it off the table. And it's just really cute to have. As you can see, it's very nice to have, especially for big items, Labubus, anything you want to display. This is perfect to have and really easy to use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.